provides guidelines for tourism industry stakeholders to reduce adverse effects on local communities, culture, and environment. It highlights how crucial it is to honor regional traditions, safeguard environment, and guarantee equitable economic gains for host communities. By following these guidelines, the travel and tourism sector can support destination well-being and foster intercultural understanding.